Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create vSphere standard switch. But before that, I want to explain what is physical switch and what is vSphere standard switch. Okay, so physical Ethernet switch we can use to manage traffic in physical network. We know that switch has multiple ports and ports can be connected to a machine or another switch on the network. Now vSphere standard switch is like physical switch, Ethernet switch only. It will detect the port in virtual machine and uses that information to forward traffic to correct virtual machines. So this vSphere standard switch can be connected to physical switch also via physical Ethernet adapters. This is also called uplink adapters. This is for joining virtual network to physical network. But one thing we need to remember is that vSphere standard switch is not having advanced functionality of physical switch. Now I will quickly show you how to create a vSphere standard switch and we will be creating it for vMotion purpose only. So let's begin. I will log into my vSphere client now. I will select my ESXi server host and I click on configure tab. Then I will go to virtual switches. Here you can see that there is only one vSwitch 0 is created. I'll create a new one. I'll click on add networking. VM kernel network adapter. This network adapter that we are selecting, this will be used for vMotion purpose only. So let's keep the default settings and click on next. Here we need to select the target device. I am selecting new standard switch. Let's keep the default MTU bytes 1500. Click on next. Here we need to create the standard switch for assigned adapters. So I am going to click on active adapters and click the plus sign. Here you need to select the network adapters. Here it's already selected VMNIC 3. Click on OK. Now click on next. Here you need to put the network label. We are doing this exercise for creating vSphere standard switch for vMotion purpose. So I am going to label this network as vMotion. Let's keep the VLAN ID as 0 and IP settings as IPv4. MTU settings you can select as custom and you can mention the size of the packet. So 1500 means 1500 bytes and MTU means maximum transmission unit. This is the size of the single packet. Generally it is 1500 bytes. Maximum is 9000 bytes. This is also called jumbo frames. Next is TCP IP stack. So by default it will be default setting. If you are selecting for provisioning, then you can do only provisioning and other option will be grayed out. If you are selecting for vMotion, then vMotion will be selected, other option will be grayed out. We are doing it for vMotion, so let's select vMotion and click on next. Now here obtain IPv4 settings automatically selected. Let's keep the default settings. Then click on next. And the last screen will be showing as ready to complete. So click on finish. Now go down and check that this is created. So standard switch V switch 1. So V motion, this we have labeled it as V motion. So this switch is created. This is the VM kernel ports. It's connected to IP address is this one, and this is the physical adapters it's connected to. So we have successfully created the vSphere standard switch. I hope you have got useful information from this video. If you like this video, please do like and share this video and subscribe to my channel.